Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. In today's video, I am going to talk about 10 tips to make your home look elegant. These are also renter friendly. I have also shared before and after pics of my client's home in this video so you get better understanding of how these tips actually work. So without wasting any time, let's get started friends. So the first step is to get your home painted. Why painting your home is important? Because all homes have flaws and imperfections, right? So walls often have dents and marks from the use of our home over time. Having your home's interior painted removes these imperfections and it can make your home look refreshed and clean. Yes, painting your home is hell a lot of work, but trust me guys, a new coat of paint for your interior can also modernize your home. You can see the difference it has made to my home. This is my bedroom. I got it painted by getting help from the professionals and we did it in 2 days. It only costed us 10k. Our owner reimbursed the amount for us. So it's a 2-bedroom apartment. And here is the foyer of my clients, and we got one wall painted in this color, and you can see the difference it has made to this foyer space. After adding the decor, it looks so much welcoming. Here you can see the living room is really dark. Client wanted to add some color to the space, so we used rustic orange color for the wall. And this is another client's balcony. You can see it badly needed a fresh coat of paint. Just by changing the color and adding the decor accessories totally changed the vibe of this balcony. I have a separate video on complete makeover of this balcony on my channel. If you guys want to check it out, I'll give the link in my description. The client totally loved this makeover and she has started using it as her workspace too. So the next step is to change your furnishings. This will make a lot of difference to your space. This is a space of my client before and you can see the difference of the space after changing the furnishings like curtains, cushion covers, carpet, and by adding few decor pieces, the entire space has been transformed. Adding curtains actually add a lot of elegance to your homes. Here is my client's bedroom before pics. The bedroom was so dull, we changed the furnishings, repositioned the furniture, and that had made a lot of difference to this space. We also ordered a small side table to be placed near the floor lamp. Always remember to use long curtains for your windows. That would make your window look larger. High-hanging curtains with long vertical stripes create the illusion of height, which is excellent for low ceilings. However, short curtains and horizontal stripes shorten your wall height and make the room appear smaller. This is my client's kids room where we added these beautiful pastel color sheer curtains, and this is another bedroom where changing the color of one wall and adding curtains has actually made a huge difference. So the next thing to do is to declutter your space. Decluttering reduces stress and anxiety. The clutter around us affects our mental health, making us feel lost and burdened. It makes our brains cluttered as well. So decluttering helps you save time and space. You can see here my client's house was really cluttered and I helped her to clear out unwanted things, and you can see it has made a huge difference to the space. So the next step is to give importance to light fixtures. You can see here my light is old and damaged, so I brought this light from Amazon. It had given a new look to my space. we can add lightings in the form of floor lamps, pendant lights and table lamps. I have spoken enough about lightings in my video. Do try out yourself to see the magic. Next tip is to not overcrowd your space. This step is going to make lot of difference. It is going to make your mind peaceful. You can see lot of videos on my channel where I have been a maximalist. But now I try not to overcrowd my space. This has made my life easy and my home easily maintainable. You can just keep shuffling the decor and art pieces and store the rest of them in your cabinets and reuse them when you feel bored of the current setup. This step alone has made me peaceful and stress-free. And this is really needed, especially in metro cities. Try not to decorate your space with all the decor elements that you have. Instead, use only few of them and keep shuffling as I already told, and that is going to make a huge difference. So the next step is to give makeover to the dark spaces. You can see this is how my cabinet and passage area were looking before. It was really dark. And also my temple and dining table were also dark. So I painted my temple and gave makeover to the cabinets using wallpaper. I have a video on my channel as how I got this done. If you guys want to check out, I'll give the link in the description box. And this is my passage area which connects to our kitchen and bedroom. It was really very dark, so I used wallpaper on the cabinets. And I got a light installed, and also I got the door of our bedroom painted, and you can see it has made a lot of difference to the space. And this is how it was looking for this Diwali. The before and after pic speaks for itself. You can also color your main door to make a difference to your space. The next important tip is to keep your space organized. We have lot of festivals and we have lot of decor items which we use for these festivals. So we need space to store them. So plan according to your space and keep the decor items organized in cardboard boxes. But do not store them in loft as there is chance of termites. The showcase which I turned into cabinet, I use it to store my decor items as well as the festival decors. This is the best decision I have made in my home, I would say, because it has given me a lot of storage space, which in turn has helped me to keep my space organized. Since my current theme is traditional, I have stored all the decors that we use for Christmas and all small decors inside like this. So the next step is to not use too much matchy furniture. If you use too much matchy furniture, it will look like you're walking into a showroom. Always try to pick furniture from different shops and arrange them according to your color scheme and theme. The next step is to make your home look unique. Don't buy those cheap looking artwork prints. Instead, you can do your own artworks. It's not necessary that you need to be a great artist for this. You can trace the image and color the picture as per your liking. Even I am not a great artist. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. So you can try and decorate your home with your DIYs or with your artworks or children's artwork and give a unique look. But remember, do not overdo it. You can also give a unique look to your home by painting those old furnitures. So I have shared the techniques many times on my channel. If you guys want to check out, I'll give the links in the description box. So the next step is placing of your furniture. This can make a lot of difference to your space. In this arrangement in my home, it was difficult to use all the chairs of our dining table. And in this setup, it was difficult to watch TV. The setup which I have now is perfect because it added extra seating near the dining table. And also watching TV has been easy. So see which is best for your space and arrange your furniture accordingly. I hope these 10 tips will help you guys to design your home elegantly. I'll see you all in the next video, friends. Until then, this is Swathi Ganesh signing off. Bye bye, friends.